So, door number 2 on this old airing cupboard. So this one is actually, again, doing exactly the same thing as that one. It's touching in these top 2 corners. The margin on it isn't great, but I actually don't want to take this door off because it's been on here so long, covered in paint, and all I'm interested in is getting it to close. This bathroom eventually will be replaced, but this just gives you an opportunity to see how to do this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the jack plane and the block plane. In fact, for this one, I'll probably use the block plane more because of the space that I've got. So the problem with the jack plane is it's quite big. So it will hit the door frame before it finishes. Or maybe not, we'll see. Let's try it first anyway. So we've got to adjust the blade and put the block plane on here and just hold it with my foot at the bottom and just take it. There we go, it closes a lot better already, but we're not taking off enough. Let's try a bit more. I'm getting there. Just got to keep going slowly. Now, on the end of the door, you'll see that there's end grain just here. Now, you've always got to push into the door. If I came and planed that direction, what I'd do is end up chipping the front lip off because there's no support for it. Whereas this way, if I push into the door, I can plane and leave a nice sharp edge on the front. So as you can see, I've taken off along there some of the top of the wood of the door and the paintwork, and just got to take a little bit more, so I'm going to carry on. So if you only have a block plane, you can still do this with block plane. In fact, a lot of the time, it's easier just because you get more self-finding in a small space. Right, so let's have a look. We're almost even, a little bit off the middle. I'm not trying to take off too much at once, but keep it so small enough so I can control what I'm doing. There we go, it's nice and even, and again, there's the arrows. Now for the sides, again what you want to do is push upwards. There we go. It's looking good. There we go, and that one's done. I have on this door a magnetic catch. In with the toilet roll, a magnetic catch just here, and it keeps moving forwards. So my screwdriver, it's got flat-headed screws on it. I'm just going to tighten these screws back up. nut. There we go, better. There we go, it holds.